Okay, I've done all my repairing on this. There's not a whole lot of clearance there now, but there is some clearance. And I got that by moving this bracket out this way and as far over that way as is possible against those bolts. So that fixed that. And as you can see, I now have flat washers underneath the 3 hex head screws that hold the motor onto this bracket. And now those pulleys are in alignment. And the belt is no longer tight like the proverbial banjo string. That there is as tight as it needs to be. So, I think that I've got this aspect of the sawmill figured out. And I had to switch the polarity on the motor because as it was installed, the lift switch went down, up. And that, of course, is ass backwards. It's up and down. And I still have to fill in those holes there because that control box has the drum switches and the electronics in it, and you got to keep water and sawdust out of there. Very important. So I'll probably be replacing this flexible conduit there since it's broken in a couple of places. Other than that, well, I gotta take that wonderful POS off of there. Gotta get that off of there. Some minor straightening to do, which actually can wait. What I want to do now is see if this thing will run, keep running, spin a blade, and saw some logs. Because the current owner, Chris, needs boards. And I've been screwing around trying to fix all these foul ups on this thing for about a week and a half. And he's waiting on me. So, time to get crack-a-lackin'. Like and subscribe.